that there are three types of market structure in day trading. That is very important for you to know, because if you are a day trader, momentum is very important for you. The momentum plays a big role for you. You will see there are 1 day out of 3 days are trending and rest of the 2 days are not trending, which you need to avoid in day trading. If you see previous 3 days, you will see this day were a sideways day. It was totally a trending day. Majority of the time market went for upside direction, and it was considered as a very trending day. And the previous day of this day went also a sideways. It in the beginning of the market went sideways, came downside, again went sideways, again went upside. So it was also considered as a sideways day. So you will notice there 1 day actually gives you momentum in day trading out of 3 days. So you get 5 days in a week. So especially if you get the Monday as a sideways day, you will assume that the next day could be a momentum day, and the next day might be a also a sideways to momentum day. As this few days you will notice that exactly same thing happening in the market. Exactly the trending day, it was totally a sideways day. You will see there it is a sideways day, it was a trending day, again it was a sideways day. So it's hence proof that market will give you 1 day as a momentum day and rest of the 2 days are actually sideways day, not for day trading actually. So what exactly we need to do for catch this momentum day and avoid this rest of the these two sideways day? So what exactly levels I will make you mark on the chart for your day trading? Exactly the previous day high, low, and close is very important for you to mark on chart. So as of now, this chart is our previous day chart. When the next chart will open, it will act like a support and resistance. The high of the chart, the low of the day, and the closing of the day will act as a very important and crucial level for next day's momentum in market. So just we have discovered few things in the chart, that there are one training day and rest of the 2 days are sideways. So you need to focus on the single day which will give you momentum. So how we will catch that? Before that, we have to focus on another thing, that would be your 3 days, three number concept. That previous 3 days chart is very important for you to catch momentums for your next trading sessions. So what you need to do is like you just get 3 days, like 26th of April, 25th of April, and 24th of April. You just have three charts. You just need these three charts and need some levels on these three charts, these three market sessions. From these three market sessions, which will give you an exact dot to dot price action levels, which I have called my advanced price action discovery, I am revealing today with you guys. So now what you need to do, the previous day, when next day will market will open, when next day market will open, what would be our previous day? Exactly 26th of April day. So you need to focus on previous day's high, previous day's low, and previous day close. And before the rest of the 2 days, you need just highs and lows, not necessarily the lows and day highs and day lows and closing level. You just need some nearest levels which market made that day. Exactly the nearest levels where this level market went upside and came downside as a short pullback, you can say this. And just in the below of the candle, you just put a horizontal line, and the upside it made a swing, just put a horizontal line here. And the previous day market spent a very much time exact this level, and the low was this level. Exact this level was a swing low, you can say that, you know that. And this is much, so let me draw as a perfect horizontal lines from exact tool, and let me just put it on the highs of previous day, the low of previous day, the closing of previous day, and the majority nearest levels of rest of the 2 days, like this level, this level, this were just the nearest. And majority times markets paint this at this level. It was a level for market spent very much time at this level. It was also at this place very much Okay, so these are very important level for us. Just now what you need to do, you just need to focus on the blank spaces next day. You can see a blank space here, you just get a very gaps. You will notice market went downside, market gave a gap down 2 days before, 2 days earlier it was a very much 520 point gap down, so it was blank space remaining. So you just need to focus on market when it will open exact here, and it will trying to break upside level at 3 times retest minimum. It will require that it's a level, market will go upside, again go downside, again go upside, again came downside, and it will minimum test this level 3 times. Then when the breakout will come, it will be a perfect breakout for you, and you can go for option buying this area. And below this level, if market goes down, you will see very much obstacles here in the chart. You will see very much lows made already previous day, so these lows will also act as a support, as a resistance, depending on where the market is opening next day. And this place will not give you as much momentum you want as an option buyer. So in this place you can just go for option selling, and above this level you will have to go for option buying, because you need and you will get a higher chance, a higher momentum above this level, because a remaining gap is also a pending. And that's it for today. I hope you get this, guys. And also one more thing, that you saw there were some obstacles, there were some lows, and you will see a straight momentum. There were no lows in between. If market open in a gap down structure, then market will come downside, and as soon as it this level breaks, you can also option buying in this place and went for a target, making this level as a support level. So I hope you will get this. If you don't get this, just leave a comment downside. And if you like this video, like this concept, the 3-day concept, this is called a 3-day concept. This is made by me. I found these settings, I found this, and develop this price action. So smash the smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. I will meet you in any other videos any other day. That's it for today. Bye, guys.